What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the 2 minute drill. I'm back at home. I'm back with a great microphone, and I probably sound better than ever. Now, with all seriousness, I am back home, guys. Good to be back home. And a great, very tight range trading day. We said this was more than likely possible. I have to zoom in just so you can see this little weird doji candle, whatever you want to call it, right? What did we say though? 5MA. Listen, if you watch the Sunday sermon, you were ready. You're ready. We said we either get through 390, either gap through, get through in the morning, or we're back testing 385. Okay. Well, we just stayed between 385 and 390. Go figure. Okay. Why? Why? Quiz why. Type it in the notes. Why did we range today? Type it in the comments. Why did we range today? Okay, it's a very simple answer. There's two possible answers, but you guys will understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, but look, we said 5MA was likely going to go higher by a couple points. Remember on the Sunday sermon, it was at about 382. Now it's 384. Cross through the 50MA purple line. Okay, so that's another bullish indicator cross. All right. And we see what we have still underneath the 100-day moving average, which is the brown dotted line. Okay. So what do we expect for tomorrow? Well, tomorrow is the day before the major FMOC event on Wednesday. Okay. Now, AMD does have earnings tomorrow, and a bunch of other names do as well. Nothing that will like completely move the market. Okay, but some other significant names as well. I'll definitely be watching the AMD play. But look, what do we see here? We see this recent resistance turn support here, right? Recent resistance 385 turn support. Okay, so what do we expect for tomorrow? Well, I will tell you this. If you just go down to like a 1-hour chart, you'll see we're building a very nice bull flag here. Okay, from the rip higher up, right? All the way from 377 up flagpole. Now we've got a very nice flag coming out, right? Or building a base, if you will. Right at where? Significant level 385. Okay, so my plan for tomorrow, my plan for tomorrow is going to be this. I want to see if they're going to try to fake us out. And I think if they try to fake us out, it's going to be a move to the downside. I think there could be a possibility of a back test of the 50MA still. Okay, which right now is 382.64 is where we closed. Okay, but that would try to get people to get really short under today's low. Okay, and back under, right, that recent huge resistance level that's now support as of today. So I would be watching for a fake to the downside. Now, why do I think we'd fake to the downside? Okay, well, listen, the trend has flipped. Okay, we were ranging here for a while. It was sell the rip all the way down. Now that we've broken out and gotten above 380, it is by the dip formation. Okay, if you remember the Sunday sermon, we said under 380 is a warning shot, but above it, okay, the short-term trend is up. Okay, so any counter trend trade is down. That is counter trend. Okay, so I would think just to get everybody to get caught off sides, we might have a little bit of a move lower, maybe 382, maybe even all the way down to 380, then bounce it back up and reclaim this 385, possibly take a move into 390. Now, if we just get Ripper Magoo out the gate, okay, you'll want to see a confirmation that we get over this 390 level. Okay, I wouldn't be taking the breakout there, especially before an FOMC event, where typically we range into that event. We don't have major breakouts or breakdowns. So I'm looking for both sides. Like how today was, where it was straight range trading, chop back and forth. It's more than likely that happens tomorrow. Okay, but if you are going to be playing a breakout, you must be patient and let it confirm that it is breaking out. Okay, so for tomorrow, the plan is this: look for fake out in both directions. Okay, look for a breakout in both directions. The range right now is 385 to 389. Okay, possibly look for a dip underneath to about 382 where the 50MA is, or above to where the 100MA, 389, 390 above. Okay, but as for levels, guys, are all the same. Levels all the same. Above 390, 396, psychological 400, level gap fills 403, takes us to 409, my price target for the week. Price target for the week. Why is that my price target for the week? Well, take a lookie. What do we got? 200 MA. We know that if we cross over the 20 like we did, get over the 50 like we did, and we get over the 100 like we might, then the 20's at play. Plus, we got a huge major gap fill up here. Okay. Now downside levels underneath 385. Okay, you're gonna look at wherever the 50 MA opens up right now. 382 might be 381 tomorrow. Okay, so just call it 380. Okay, 380, 378. Okay, under 378, you're gonna look at 376, 370. Okay, and now look, the 20 MA is updated. It's 380 or 372 now. So you'll want to be cognizant of where that is. Okay, under 370, though, realistically is 374, 360, 357, 348. Okay, 348. All right. So, guys, what's my saying? The market trends and the market blanks. Okay, going back to the earlier question. We just had a huge trend day. What do we do here? What is this? Type it in the comments. I want to see if you guys are paying attention. Okay, wake up early, get your goddamn levels right, and don't do anything stupid. I'll see you guys bright and early. Peace.